Good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Benidorm Scooter Sue, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Benidorm Town Hall. An amazing feat of architecture and construction. So I'm here at the entrance to Park de la Guerra, where a very different monument greets visitors. This is the Town Hall, known as the floor scraper. This is a unique structure and has aroused the interest of many architects, and a lot of people come to visit the building. The building is like a bridge, acting as a doorway to the green zone, Igüela Park. It juts out horizontally and you can walk underneath it. This horizontal skyscraper is supported by 4 pillars. Two there, and I take it there's another 2 on the other side. The glass facade is covered with thick slats that did once contain the names and surnames of the 60,000 inhabitants of Benidorm from the year when construction was finished. I don't think that the names are still up there. I can't see any. It was designed by Jose Luis Camarasa. I hope I've pronounced the name right. The municipal architect and the architectural team of the city council, and it was inaugurated in 2003. So we're just entering the Park de la Guerra. The Igüela Park. The Igüela is one of the ravines in the municipality that collect both stormwater and water from the nearby fountains. In the 80s, it was decided to make a large development in its course and turn it into a nature and leisure area. The design was made by the architect Ricardo Bofill. Inside the park, there were 2 outdoor auditoriums where many activities and events take place throughout the year. We have the Oscar Espla Auditorium, which is closest to the Town Hall, and that's where I am now. Now here we have the Auditorio Iglesias, the larger auditorium. Lots of events and concerts are held here. the top. The larger Julio Iglesias Auditorium, which got its name in tribute to one of the winners of the Spanish Song Festival, which was famous in Benidorm in the 60s and 70s. Now guys, I wonder if you can guess who that was. His bust is here in the park. As you can see, it's a much bigger auditorium. And of course, if you're staying in the Hotel Prince Park, you get a great view of any concerts. Same with if you get to the back of the Hotel Magic Crystal. And of course, we have the bust of Julio Iglesias himself. But the park itself is a beautiful area. Even if there are no activities going on, still well worth a visit. You just want to come and sit quietly for a few hours, away from all the hustle and bustle of Benidorm itself. Excuse me. Cheeky little fly just flew into my ear. Getting plagued a bit by flies today. And we have one of the many red squirrels. I think he's as interested in me as I am in him. And off he goes. Well, he's still there. Just popped his little head up.